welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on Touch UAE with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about another variant of BlackBerry Touch series. Actually, Touch series is very, we can say, a great series because it has got something different to do with the name and the series itself. Yes, we can say that because it has always been in the headlines because of the looks and the type it has. Talking about the BlackBerry Torch 9810, like 9810 series out here, we can say that this series is an initiative or the upgradation of the previous one. अगर इसके पिछले वाले वेरिएंट की बात करें तो उसका upgradation ही है. We have already seen 9800 में that it was a slide up phone, and the same goes with here. It is also a slide up phone out here. There is not a major difference or the major changes which have been made in 9800 to 9810. Yes, इतना ज्यादा नहीं चेंज करा है, मे बी बिकॉज there was not actually requirement of that, or we can say maybe that's the thing we can say required at the time, because minor changes like the we can say about the resolution has been changed, about the operating system has changed, the memory card has changed, the we can say camera quality has changed. So there are very basic things which have changed in this phone. So we can say that BlackBerry Torch 980 से एक बेटर वेरिएंट है BlackBerry Torch 9810. मतलब इन दोनों में इतने चेंजेस ना होने के बाद भी हम कह सकते हैं कि इसमें कुछ जो चेंजेस लाए गए हैं वो काफी ज्यादा अच्छे वेरिएंट है. Now let us talk about first the differences, because similarities we will talk very quickly. सिमिलैरिटीज की बात करें तो इन दोनों फोन में ही आपको TFT की कैपेसिटिव टच स्क्रीनिंग देखने को मिलेगी. You will get to see keypad and touch. You will get to see micro sims out there and the mini sims. We can say we use generally in the mini sims and micro sims in the BlackBerry phones, and you get to see such kind of sim as well as here. The weight is almost same, 160 grams out here. You also get to see the 3.2-inch screen size. Here's the screen size or the keypad involving it is 3.3-inch. So we can say that it has not changed much. Expandability of memory card is there. You will get to see 5 megapixel rear camera itself. No selfie camera is there in this phone. You will not get to see the selfie camera out here. You will also get the loudspeakers, 3.5 mm jack, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything out there, but you will not get the FM quality in this. You will not get, we can say, the sensors are almost the same, but just a few have been added, like compass have been added to it, the players for the better video quality and the audio quality has been there. The battery has definitely reduced out there, and yes, it has reduced. So we can say that there are almost much of the similarities. And now let us quickly go through the differences and discuss why these differences occurred in 9800 to 9810. 9810 sorry, मतलब 9810 से ऐसा क्यों किया कि चीजें रिड्यूस की हैं और बहुत कम बढ़ाई हैं. तो लेट अस नो व्हाई. अगर हम सबसे पहले बात करें इनकी चेंजेस की, तो लेट अस गो बैक टू द वीडियो एंड सी द स्ट्रक्चरैलिटी फर्स्ट. स्ट्रक्चरैलिटी की बात करें तो इसमें कुछ ज्यादा चेंज नहीं किया गया है स्ट्रक्चरैलिटी में. मतलब everything is same, the structure has been same, the body is same exactly the way it was in the previous version, but the operating system has upgraded. Yes, if we have to say the operating system that has upgraded, because ये मॉडल जो है 2011 का है and the previous one was 2010, तो upgradation इसमें जरूरी थी. Whereas if we talk about the memory card out there, तो वो भी increase हुई है. 4GB से 8GB is a very good variant. Yes, a very good variant out here. Along with that 700 and we can say 68 MB की RAM, वो उतनी ज्यादा नहीं कहेंगे, because 768 MB RAM is very less. But as compared to the earlier model, we can say it's quite a good variation, क्योंकि पहले में आपको 512 MB मिल रही थी, तो वो बहुत ही ज्यादा कम थी, तो उससे कंपेरेटिवली काफी ज्यादा अच्छी है. एज आई सेड कि 5 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा है इसमें, बट the quality of camera has increased in the video quality. Yes, the video quality of this camera has increased. How I'm saying that, earlier you used to see that the video was of about 480. Yes, the video was at 480p, whereas in this phone it is 720p. तो वो quality increase हुई है. Whereas you will also get to see the change in the battery life. If we talk about the battery life, तो वो reduce हुई है. Yes, that has not increased, it has reduced. Talking about the reduction on this, the reduction has been made in a very different way. 1300 mAh की बैटरी जो है अब 1270 mAh की है. Like 1270 is a very less variant for this, because अब आपको as such कह सकते हैं कि उतना यूजेज नहीं देखने को मिलेगा. You cannot have much of that phone, but due to some changes in it, as we have discussed, इसमें बहुत minor changes हैं. उसकी वजह से इसकी जो बैटरी लाइफ है उसमें भी थोड़े चेंजेस किए गए हैं, जिसकी वजह से जहां पहले आप आराम से 30 आवर्स तक म्यूजिक प्ले कर सकते थे, अब आप 30 आवर्स से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा कर सकते हैं. यस, यू कैन यूज इट मोर देन 30 आवर्स, बट यस डेफिनेटली बहुत सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज आपको बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगी इस फोन के साथ. But definitely this phone is a okay variant out here. You can always try this variant. But there are a few drawbacks to this phone. Yes, there are few drawbacks to this phone, and let's get quickly to the drawbacks also. Drawbacks की बात करें तो इसमें अगर BlackBerry की इंटरनेट सर्विस नहीं है तो आपको थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. फ्लैश सपोर्ट इसमें नहीं है वेब ब्राउजर में. You will not get NFC, you will not get video calling क्योंकि सेल्फी कैमरा नहीं है. You will also not get the FM radio. You will get all kind of plastic body out here. And the worst is the loudspeaker. Yes, the loudspeaker performance is very poor in this phone. So आप कह सकते हैं ये फोन काफी ज्यादा आपको okay variant मिल सकता है. Yes, okay variant कह सकते हैं. These are the few drawbacks. Otherwise, there are major advantages over this. बाकी सारी चीजें काफी ज्यादा अच्छी हैं इसमें. Recording possible है because 3.5mm jack भी है. So these are the few things about this phone. एक छोटा सा रिव्यू कह सकते हैं, छोटा सा स्पेसिफिकेशन, एक छोटी सी राय हमारी तरफ से आपके लिए, क्योंकि ये एज अ सेकेंडरी फोन आप बहुत अच्छे से यूज कर सकते हैं. और द पीपल हु डोंट लव हाई टेक फोन्स, तो उनके लिए भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है ये फोन, बिकॉज दे कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस आउट. Trying this out, I have got a website out here because बहुत लिमिटेड वेबसाइट्स इस फोन को अभी भी अपनी साइट पर दिखाती हैं, because it is available on very limited sites out there. So one of such site is available with me, and for that you have to click in the description. Description में जाते हुए एक लिंक को क्लिक करना है, that's it, and you will land up to this website. Yes, आप इस वेबसाइट पे आ जाएंगे जिसका नाम है phonezone.ae. Yes, the website name is phonezone.ae. Why I am talking about this website offers something very exciting, which is the what? Yes, I am going to tell you, and I am not going to tell you, I am going to show you out there. COG and free shipping, like free home delivery. COD is the major advantages over here, as well as it is offering 100% original products. उसी के साथ साथ यहाँ पर एक सर्च आइकन है जहां पर आपको अपना सिर्फ ब्रांड लिखना होता है, and you will get to know about your brand as well as the condition, pricing, everything. I have already searched in the bar once, so let us quickly see once. So हमने already search bar में लिखा हुआ है, and then we will see how is the result of this. When we see the result, we have to be very specified कि हमें क्या search. This is the result of my search. So let me quickly go to the description box and see. Everything has been written in the description box, so you can definitely check out that. As well as we have seen the condition overwritten is refurbished. So let us quickly talk about the condition of refurbished, and then we will talk about what else this phone has description and what the site has for us. So everything out there, we are going to talk about that too. First, let's talk about refurbished condition. Talking about the refurbished products, I would say refurbished products और brand new products में ज़्यादा differences नहीं होते. There are not major differences out here. There are very minor differences. If you talk about the refurbished product, these products are actually brand new type. Yes, these products are actually brand new type. Whereas if we see the brand new products, they are actually from the company to the users. Whereas the refurbished are from company, user, agency, user. Yes, this kind of thing happens in the refurbished product. Talking about the refurbished product, the word itself here means again. Furbish means creating new. So creating new again. So this is what refurbished actually means. मतलब कुछ पहले जैसा या नए जैसा बनाना. Now coming back to the point, what refurbished products and brand new products have common in them, what they have similarities, क्या खास है क्या same है. The similarity lies in the testing, verification, certification out there. Why I said testing and everything out there, because refurbished products and brand new products are almost same. The conditions or the tests or the certificates, certifications or the sites which are required for launch of a product are same for the refurbished products to be listed on the site. जस्ट लाइक अगर ब्रांड न्यू प्रोडक्ट है उसमें आपको वाईफाई का सर्टिफिकेशन चाहिए तो रिफर्बिश में भी चाहिए. If you need a certification for display in the brand new product, you need it for the refurbished products too. So there are n number of categories and number of parameters which include the display, camera, audio, video, the sound quality, the data wiping out there, the colorization, Android system और iOS system, इसका operating system जो भी main use करते हैं, CPU used in it, the battery life, the charger, the 3.5 mm jack, everything which is involved out there in the specifications or which we all discuss about any phone out there. So all those things. Now talking about this phone, we can say that this phone has given something very interesting things in the refurbished category. Why I said so? Reason being, refurbished products have few advantages over the brand new products. Talking about the advantages, there are very few advantages, just like number one, it offers you a savings. Yes, you can say that it offers you savings of up to 15%. Yes, you get to save up to 15% as they are comparatively less expensive. They are not expensive at all. Whereas you can say that these are in your pocketable rates. Yes, from that I come to the second point, that is the rating out there, their pricing. That is very economical and a pocketable rate out here. Whereas if we go to the third category, that is the warranty period. Yes, the warranty period involved. इसमें आपको अच्छी खासी वारंटी देखने को मिलती है 6 महीने की. You get to see a warranty life of 6 months. Whereas in brand new, you get to see brand new products. So we can say that these products are quite effective and quite nice in use, because we get our favorite models, our favorite brands in a pocketable rate, as well as we get an additional benefit apart from the 6 months warranty period and everything. We get 7 days money back and replacement guarantee. Yes, you get 7 days money back and replacement guarantee with terms and conditions applied. But there are very specified places which are trustworthy and can be said as a good company or a site where you get such great deals. So one such deal is available for you guys. All you have to do is click on the description link and you will directly land up to our website. This Yes, this is the website out here which offers great deal, great products, great things out here. As well as you get to see your favorite models out here in the popular categories of Apple, Samsung, n number of categories out there. As well as you get something very exciting out here, which is COD and free home delivery along with 100% original products. So this site offers a great variety, which I already told you. Site का नाम है phoneZone.ae. Yes, the site name is phoneZone.ae. Once again, let me remind you. And you get your favorite deals in your pocketable rates over here. So don't forget to check this website out. Google पे भी check कर सकते हैं या फिर description में दिए हुए link पे जा सकते हैं. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.